Hello. So this is a short video to explain what you just did in the instructions above. So if you look at it, the first thing they just did was to create a merge request, which is basically a structured suggestion to the project owner. So you can view the changes that you submitted. So in here, for example, we changed the title from my blog to Tom's blog. And it is basically then from then on, it's up to the project owner to accept or not the suggestion that you created, and they can do so by clicking this merge button, which will merge this branch back to their main branch. And the second thing that you just did was to run a pipeline. So, for example, this pipeline here, what it did was to create a pages job, and also it ran a test. Basically, it just tested that the blog actually compiled. And how that works is that there's this file called GitLab CI YAML file. And if we look at inside the file, we can see that the script part runs a command called Hugo. And that basically tells some server somewhere on GitLab to run that exact command. And you can see the output of that command in each pipeline page. So for example, in here, we can click on that test, and you can see that we actually ran Hugo, and that's an output from that command. If you run the same command locally on your laptop, assuming you have everything set up, you pretty much will see the same things as well. And it's a very big topic, and there's much more to explain. As you can see, there's other parts of the scripts here, but I won't go into it. If you have a lot of time and you're interested, feel free to read more at this link over here. Now, GitLab Pages, which we referred to here, is also part of pipelines and GitLab CI/CD, and that is the Pages section over here, around this part. And what it does basically is it just publishes and serves whatever you have put inside the public directory. So Hugo by default will publish to a public /directory. It publishes some files. You can see that we don't have a public directory here. We have some sort of dynamic things. And what Hugo does, it's a static site generator. It will compile all those and put that into a public /directory. And here we're telling GitLab Pages to basically serve those pages in a static website. And that's what you just did. So that's GitLab Pages. Yeah, that's a few key things that you have just did. Thank you.